Alright guys, this is going to be kind of a little bit of a different video. It's going to be a fan mail video. I never thought I'd be doing a fan mail video, but we're gonna do that today because I got something today, and which I think is amazing. So I wanted to share a couple things, and we'll go over it. So I got a couple things recently, and wanted to talk about all of them and give some thanks and shout out some YouTube channels. So the first thing I got, I would say we'll do this in order of how they were received. So the first thing I got, these are already, some of them are already unboxed. So the first thing I got is this computer. So it's E38 from 2010 Camaro LS3. And this one is actually what I'm going to be using in the car there. So receiving this kind of sparked my decision-making process in changing the whole setup on this car, and like going, you know, 58X and changing everything and whatever. So having this thing was kind of like, oh, I wonder what I could do with this. And then I'm like, well, let's change the entire car. That's a good idea. So that's kind of where we're at. Similar to what I did with the Ranger. So converting that truck over to four-wheel drive was because I realized that you can get manual locking hubs for like 80 bucks. And then I looked at the truck and they already had manual locking hubs on it. And I was like, well, shit, let's convert the whole truck over to four-wheel drive again. So I'm weird. So we'll do that. And I wanted to say thank you to that person, but I will explain a little bit more. So that ECU I got from this person when I did my original ECU giveaway. So I gave away a P59, the computer that was actually in the Ranger. I gave him that one for the ECU giveaway that I did. So his name is Kevin. He won it. And when he received it, he was like, hey, I'm not going to be using this computer. If you ever need it for anything, I'll send it to you. He's like, you can just have it. If you ever want to use it, use it. So we kind of swapped ECUs. He won the giveaway. He sent me this thing. I'm like, well, that's totally cool. I have that. Changed the whole story on this car, and we're rolling. So moving on, and then we'll go back to it. So one other thing that I got was from Cole Murphy, the YouTube channel Cole Murphy. It's got a nice looking Silverado, and the thing is awesome, and I really like it. It has a rear mount turbo on the Silverado, and has the turbo mounted in the bed of the truck, and the truck looks amazing. I really like the truck. And I even told him one day, I'm like, I think I need to get one of those because I really like how it looks. So when I was talking about doing the neutral safety switch in this truck, and I didn't have one, and I was thinking about buying one because I needed to go to, or I was planning originally on going to the Merrill Ice Drags, and you have to have a neutral safety switch, and I kind of was really late in the season, really late in the game, and I realized that I needed a neutral safety switch, and I wouldn't be able to, or I wouldn't be able to race. So I was thinking about doing this neutral safety switch, and it was kind of one of those, like, I didn't really want to buy it, I didn't really want to deal with it, because I didn't really need it, feel like I care about it. So he was like, hey man, I got a neutral safety switch, I'll just send it to you. So he had a couple of them laying around, and he sent it to me, and yeah, so I got a neutral safety switch. So I actually went ahead and bought the new linkage, because my linkage is actually modified right now from a Ford Ranger. So I took the shifter selector off of the old Ford Ranger transmission, and I modified it and welded it on so it would work with the 4L80 right now. So all of my shift linkage is different, needs to be modified. So I bought the stuff that I need to do. So I'm going to put the shifter selector thinger-dinger back on, and then put the neutral safety switch on there. So you had both versions, the one with the big plug, and there's one with the two plugs on it, and he sent me the one that I needed. So that's totally cool, because these things are like 50 bucks. Like if you were to go buy one, I guess I could go pull one from a junkyard, but they're kind of expensive. So I was like, well, shit, I don't know if I want to do that. So he's like, yeah, I'll just send you one. So thanks, Cole. Go check out his channel, Cole Murphy, and tell him to upload a whole bunch of videos. So another thing, and I got this thing today. So I knew this was coming, so it's not really a surprise. So I'm not really doing a whole unboxing video, as you can tell, because I'm not unboxing anything. But this is kind of, I feel like, over and above and beyond anything that I ever expected to happen in my life. So it's the same person that sent me this computer. So we've been talking kind of back and forth since then. We talked about the project and all kind of stuff. So the other day he contacted me and was like, hey, do you ever have any interest in like getting a 3D printer? So I'm like, well, yeah, actually I think they're really cool, and my wife's dad has one, and he makes stuff for the kids all the time, and we play with the stuff, but it's one of those things I feel like I'm interested in. It's cool, but I would never buy myself. So he's like, well, I'm gonna send you one. What? So here we go. Still in the box. I'm probably not gonna open it up, but this is Ender 3 3D printer. So I'm kind of like blown away by this. I don't even really know what to say besides thank you, and this is amazing. I'm guessing it's in a bunch of little parts, so I'm not going to pull it out on the video. But yeah, he was just like, because he was buying himself one, he said, he's like, I'm going to buy myself one, and I think I'm going to send you one too. Oh, okay. I'm like, I kind of get weird in situations like that. I don't really know how to thank people besides saying thank you, because I'm not really used to that kind of stuff. So thank you, and it's really cool because I will use it, and I'll definitely do some stuff with it. And yeah, I just think it's pretty cool. He was just very nonchalant about it, like, I'm gonna get myself one, I think I'm gonna send you one too. So I think it's pretty cool. Fan mail video, awesome. Thank you guys. Kevin is his name, and I want you guys to go check out his channel and encourage him to go upload some videos, because he has a couple videos up there. I know he's working on a really cool project. He sent me some pictures of the parts that he's getting. It's very exciting. And go check out the channel. Comment on some of his older videos and tell him to start uploading more. So I'll put a picture of the screen name. It's the Kevman011, and go check out the channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Might be kind of boring, but just wanted to kind of put it out there, share the channels, say thank you guys. I really appreciate it. I kind of don't really even know what to say besides thank you. Like I said, I get kind of weird about this stuff. So thank you guys. Totally cool. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.